In the last video, we had discussed about a geographical arbitrage. That means in any two exchange rates, if the rates are different, investors can buy in one particular exchange rate and sell it in other exchange rate, and thereby he can make a profit out of that. Now we'll discuss about the triangular arbitrage. What is the triangular arbitrage stands for? So an investor will convert from one currency to first currency to second currency, and from second currency to third currency, and third currency back to first currency, and thereby in the round he is going to make a profit. Those things we call that as a triangular arbitrage. First, before starting the problem or before solving the problem, we should know, is there any arbitrage possibility? All these things stuffs we'll discuss in this problem. Let's read out the problem which is there on the slide. The following are the three quotes in the three forex market. First one is $1 is equal to rupees 48.3011 in Mumbai. £1 is equal to rupees 77.1125 in London, and £1 is equal to $1.6321 in New York. Are any arbitrage gain possible? Assume there are no transaction cost and the arbitrator has US dollar 10 lakhs. This is what they are given in the problem. So now let's understand how to solve this particular problem. Before starting the problem, first we have to understand, or we should know, is there any arbitrage possibility? To know whether is there an arbitrage possibility or not, we'll write the given one side $1 is equal to rupees 48.3011, and then £1 is equal to 77.1125, and lastly £1 is equal to $1.6321. So these three are in, one is in Mumbai, then followed by London, and lastly New York. Now first, is there an arbitrage possibility or not? To know that one, first we have to find out the implied cross rates. Okay, the implied cross rate is as already we discussed in the previous video how to calculate the implied cross rate, spot rate of dollar by pound. Spot rate of dollar by pound is 1.5964. So if you just, you can see where we have dollar and pound. Dollar and pound we have 1.6321, whereas implied rate what we got is 1.5964. Some of you still may be having doubt how we got this 1.5964. We have to find dollar by pound. Dollar by pound is equal to, we can write here dollar by pound, and then on the numerator we can write dollar by rupee. Thereby rupee will get cancelled, we will get a dollar by pound. Okay, so if you do that cross rates, we will get answer as 1.5964. Okay, so now we came to know that there is a arbitrage possibility. Now let's evaluate, is there a possibility or not. Step 1, convert US dollar into rupees 48.3011 per dollar. Invest dollar into rupee at the rate of 48.3011 at Mumbai. Okay. So when you convert, how much will get it? Hence investor will have how much? 4,83,000. 4,83 lakh 1,100 is the rupee what the investors will have. By converting US dollar 10 lakhs into rupee, he will have 4,83 lakh 1,100. Okay. So next what we do? Step 2. So now we have rupee. Rupee, we should understand where is we have relationship between rupee and other currency. Rupee and dollar we already finished, and rupee and pound we have relationship, right? Convert rupee 4,83 lakh 1,100 into pound at the rate of 77.1125 per pound. Okay. So hence investor will have how much? Investor will have pound 6,26,371.86 pound investors will have. Okay. Now we'll move to the step 3. Again we have to back convert third currency to first currency. Now pound to we have to convert back to dollar. Okay. We have to convert pound to dollar at New York at the rate of dollar 1.6321 per pound. Hence investor will have how much? If you convert, how much will have? So investor will have dollar 10,22,301.50. Okay. So if you want to find the arbitrage profit, for the entire round is 10,22,301.50 minus 10 lakh. That comes to 20,301.50. This is what the answer what you are going to get. If you convert dollar into rupee, rupee to pound, and again pound back to dollar, this is how we can make the profit out of this. This is what we call it as a arbitrage profit.